Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials you can act on right now. Pick the correct page category and a short username so people find you. Upload a crisp profile photo and a cover image at recommended sizes to look professional. Then complete the About section with address, hours, contact info, and a website link. This builds trust and powers search. Once done, assign page roles carefully so collaborators have only the permissions they need, and make sure contact methods are visible. Now focus on execution. Define 3 to 5 content pillars and plan a weekly cadence so your page stays consistent. Use Creator Studio to schedule posts and run simple A/B tests on headlines and images to learn what engages. Set the page template that matches your goals, shopping, services, or community, and create pinned posts and automated messenger responses to capture leads. While you work, monitor post reach and engagement so you can iterate quickly and prioritize formats that perform best. Finish by launching with a mix of organic posts and small promoted boosts to targeted audiences. That jumpstarts visibility. Monitor insights daily for engagement percentage, reach, link clicks and saves, and adjust tactics accordingly. Add a clear CTA button and connect Instagram and WhatsApp for cross-channel messaging. If followers or posts suddenly drop, check page roles, review content violations in support inbox, and temporarily pause third-party apps, often misconfigured apps or removed admin access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.